Common Assessment 5. Directions. Use the excerpt from The Black Pearl to answer the following questions. Number 1. Read this dictionary entry. Proper. Adjective. 1. Belonging to one. 2. Chiefly dialectal. 3. Very good. 4. Strictly accurate. Which definition most closely matches the way the word proper is used in paragraph 1? A. Definition 1, B. Definition 2, C. Definition 3, or D. Definition 4. Number 2. Read this sentence from paragraph 2. My father was a tall man with skin turned deep bronze color from the glare of the sea. The author uses imagery in this sentence most likely to show how A. The father enjoys swimming in the sea during the day. B. Tall people tend to burn easier because they are closer to the sun. C. How working outside has affected the father. Or D. Working in a factory is the ideal workplace for the father. Number 3. What is the most likely reason that Ramon needs to talk to his father in paragraph 11? A. Ramon wants to go sail for his birthday. B. Ramon needs to persuade his father to allow him to go on the ship before they leave. C. Ramon forgot to tell his father that Goleta is sick and cannot sail. Or D. Ramon thinks his father will be angry that he made a mistake. Number 4. Ramon's interaction with his father is important to the plot because he A. Describes what it is like to work with pearls. B. Deceives his father into letting him dive for pearls. C. Confirms that his father is a scary man. Or D. Explains why his father is skeptical to let him dive for pearls. Number 5. Paragraphs 17 through 27 support the primary theme by emphasizing the narrators A. Satisfaction. B. Persistence. C. Modesty. D. Amusement. Number 6. By using the first-person point of view, the author is able to show A. How the father feels about his son joining him at sea. B. What the narrator's co-workers think about Ramon joining them. C. The narrator's confidence while pleading his argument to his father. Or D. The father's happiness for his son's knowledge of pearls. Number 7. What does the ending of the excerpt suggest? A. Although the father doesn't want the son to get hurt, he allows him to go. B. The father is angry at his son. C. The son lied to his father about Goleta. Or D. The father thinks the son won't be able to protect himself on the ship. Directions. Use the poem to answer the following questions. Number 8. Read the lines from the poem. An imagined world of witchcraft, wizardry, and clans takes you in so utterly. All the ceaseless background noise of life's insistent pull and drag soon fades. These lines suggest that A. An imagined world should be how life is led. B. Reading books helps people get through life's struggles. C. Life feels like an endless loop full of tricks. Or D. Reading books does not help people navigate through life. Number 9. Which words from the poem suggest that the speaker is feeling nostalgic about his childhood? A. How lovely to be lost as you are now in someone else's thoughts. B. Before you're destined to be lost again in that disordered and distressing book C. As I was once, when between covers, under covers, all is safe and sure. Or D. All the ceaseless background noise of life's insistent pull and drag soon fades. Number 10. Read lines 21 through 24 from the poem. Oh, how I wish for you that life may let you turn and turn these pages in whose spell time is frozen. The imagery in these lines helps the reader A. Understand that the parent wants his son to be happy. B. To visualize how cold and distant the parent is towards the son. C. Feel the disorganization and troubling atmosphere in life. Or D. See how important the parent-son relationship is. Number 11. In line 26, the reader can tell that the word distressing means A. Carefree, B. Trouble, C. Important, D. Interesting. Number 12. In the poem For My Son Reading Harry Potter, the author's use of an extended metaphor highlights the idea that A. Harry Potter is a book all children should read and love. B. The son does not like to read. C. Life experiences can be gained through reading. Or D. Through reading Harry Potter, the son was able to learn wizardry.